What's going on? It is Nathan Resnick, the founder and CEO of Sourcify. Today we're going to be diving into what you need to know about manufacturing in India. Not sure what I was just doing there with my hands, but trying to get pumped up for this because India is one of the most fascinating countries in the world. I mean, it is just so incredible. In India, they have such a diverse manufacturing base. I mean, you've got to watch out for the infrastructure, that's for sure. But when it comes to manufacturing, there are so many foreign brands that are there manufacturing products. So in our article, we touch on obviously their key textile industry, which is only second in size to China. More than 50% of India's textile imports are cotton based, but they also manufacture synthetic fabrics, wool, and silk. And the textile sector is the oldest in India. I mean, it is incredible. Um, so over 45 million people work in the Indian textile industry, making it one of the largest sources of employment in the country. Their specialization, I would say, in India really what's most relevant to e-commerce sellers are leather, some electronics, and the largest, of course, textiles. You've got to watch out also furniture is in there as well. But the leather industry has transformed to not just from raw material but now a large value add product exporter. So all sorts of leather type of goods are manufactured in India: footwear, garments, accessories, furniture, you name it. And the workforce isn't just skilled, it is very cost effective as well. So if you look at the country costs, I mean, it is usually one of the lowest in the world in terms of labor rates. But you've got to watch out for infrastructure. Really, shipping from India, though it is less costly, can have a lot of challenges. And on the whole, what makes India a competitive manufacturing location is how low cost the manpower is and how strong technical and engineering capabilities they do have. So it's really a robust manufacturing center. One of the things you want to consider if you are a small e-commerce brand is that you're going to, potentially competing with big brands. And so that's why a lot of founders, we've helped over 1,000 founders at Product Sourcing School through, bringing their process to life. We try to do it in as little as 90 days, which is extremely fast. We're action takers here. But when it comes to the textile industry in India, it has so many advantages. And that's part of what we're going to teach in the school. But here, obviously we touched on the low cost of labor, the centuries of experience, the countless specializations, and they also have a lot of the raw materials. So when you're thinking of a t-shirt, let's say this Sourcify t-shirt that I'm wearing right here, all these different cuts and trims, they are specialized to this shirt. And so in your tech pack, part of what you develop in product sourcing school, you're going to be laying this out so your factory knows what's to do. So that's really the keys of manufacturing in India. If you want to, pop in and see the article, the link is below, or just hit us up at sourcify.com. We're here to help with all your manufacturing questions.